Guys, if you're looking for the best, like literally the best mid-range smartphone right now to buy within a $100K or $130 range, look no further, because the Tecno Spark 10 Pro right here is the new king of budget smartphone that you've been looking for. Like, nothing in its price category comes close. Like, after seeing this device, nothing else is worth recommending, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. Now bye. That's the end of this video. Hey guys, Fred's Tech Up here. Welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the all-new Tecno Spark 10 Pro and share my honest opinion about it. Tecno has made the Spark 10 Pro an easy device to review because almost everything about this device is positive. Every year, Tecno keeps on improving on the Spark series, and I must say that this year, Tecno has taken the Spark series to a whole new level. They've changed the game here, and I'm very sure others will find it difficult to excel, most especially from price to value proposition, at least for now. Now, before I begin, let's see what comes in the box of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. As you can see here, Tecno is one of those brands that still continue to provide accessories within the box. When you open the box, the first thing you're going to see is a device wrapped in plastic that carries major highlights or key selling points of this device. Next is an MTN recharge card voucher, then a plastic silicone case. This is a plus because it will give your device that early protection before you can get a good case. Moving on, we have a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, an 18-watt fast charger, which is another plus because most phones these days don't come with it. Next is the earpiece, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a SIM ejector tool. Now, moving back to the device, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro bears a lot of resemblance to the iPhone. But oh boy, it has a sleek and modern design with a slim profile and a durable polycarbonate frame. It comes in two unique colors, which are pearl white and starry black. The starry black is what I have here, and to be honest with you guys, it does have this starry kind of reflection depending on how light hits it. The back of the device is made from glass, which is mind-blowing for its Spark series. For a mid-range device, this alone gives it a premium feel. The whole design screams premium. Guys, just take a look at this design right here. Man, it's amazing. I really love how beautiful the whole device looks, and I must say that I am impressed. However, the boxy design might feel slightly uncomfortable to hold if you're someone with a small hand. I personally felt that discomfort holding it without a case. Now, this is just me, but I guess it will be fine with most people. I like the matte finish it has that helps prevent smudges and fingerprints. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. The power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is fast and very responsive all the time. No complaints or whatsoever here. To the left, we've got a SIM card tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill. Speaking of the speaker, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro comes with a down-firing speaker, which should be enough for some people, but I actually wish it had a dual speaker for a better sound experience. At this price point, I can't really fault it that much because what Tecno has given to us is already fantastic. The rear of the device comes with what Tecno calls triple ring design for the camera sensors. We have a 50 megapixels main camera compensated with an AI lens mainly for low light detection, then a flashlight. We have the Tecno Spark logo as well to complement its look. For the display, it features a large 6.8 inches Full HD Plus punch hole style display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 and a pixel density of 395. It's an IPS LCD that supports 90 Hz high refresh rate for smooth scrolling and navigating through the user interface. The punch hole display houses a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is one of the major highlights of this device. The display is sharp and bright, making it easy to enjoy watching YouTube videos and consuming media content. Sunlight readability could have used a little bit of improvement, but I guess we can't have it all, especially at this price point. On the performance aspect, guys, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro comes with a whopping 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and a Mediatek Helio G88 octa-core CPU. Helio G88 is a mid-range gaming processor designed for mid-range smartphones. It is still a capable gaming processor, and it shows here. I ran some benchmarks and the result shows moderate numbers that are capable of handling most 3D games at low to medium graphics settings. As usual, I played Call of Duty Mobile and the gameplay was okay with adjusted graphics settings. Raw performance is fine with 8GB of RAM that can also be expanded up to 16GB with memory fusion technology. Guys, that is huge considering the fact that this device is just within a 100k price category. Multitasking, opening apps and general performance is super amazing. When scrolling through the user interface, it is snappy and very responsive thanks to the 90Hz high refresh rate. When it comes to software, Android 13 is what comes with the Spark 10 Pro, but with a new custom software which is iOS 12.6. It comes with some already familiar features and improved user experience. It is not far away from what we're used to on a Tecno device, but it introduces some new UI changes. When you swipe from the top right corner, it reveals the quick settings panel. Then a swipe to the left reveals the notification center. All of this isn't new if you're familiar with most Tecno devices. However, Bluetooth is something that Tecno will not be doing away anytime soon, and I'll suggest you do a little bit of housekeeping by uninstalling some of the unwanted apps for a much better experience. Now, moving on to the camera department, the 50MP camera on the Spark 10 Pro captures good daylight looking images with a satisfactory amount of details. The colors are punchy, decent dynamic range, and the exposure is accurate most of the time. There is a marginal improvement coming from its predecessor, which is the Spark 9 Pro. However, I still believe there is room for improvement because there are some level of inconsistencies when it comes to sharpness and how it handles exposure. But I'll say that I love how detailed and saturated most of the images appear, which is somewhat closer to real life looking images. The 32MP selfie camera is the major highlight of this device. Tecno calls it ultra clear glowing selfie camera, and I must say I have to agree with them. I am very impressed with it. For the few times that I've spent with this device, the selfie camera is very impressive most of the time. The images that I took is very okay and dynamic range is okay. I like how it's able to retain more details, and I also like the color reproduction. Kindly go through the images and tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. For videos, you can shoot at 2K 30 frames per second with no HDR and video stabilization. However, the footage looks great for a device in its price category. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, currently shooting at 2K 30 frames per second. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality right here? Let me know in the comment section below. I feel like the device is doing a lot better. However, dynamic range is struggling right here. As you can see, most of the highlights, the background is blown away. But the overall video quality is what to be expected from a device like this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, okay? As for the battery, the Spark 10 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which I feel should be more than enough for an average user. For my usage and testing, it can comfortably last the entire day on a single charge. Then when it's time to juice it up again, the included 18W fast charger took only 1 hour and 55 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. Guys, I'm so impressed with the overall battery performance. It's amazing, and I would say that if battery is one of the key components that you consider when choosing a smartphone, be rest assured that the Spark 10 Pro will serve you well. In conclusion, the new Spark series is not only good value for money, it offers much better quality with an excellent design. With 16GB of total RAM and a whopping 256GB of storage that can also be expanded via a microSD card, the Spark 10 Pro delivers an impeccable performance that cannot be found elsewhere. At 104,500 Naira for the 8GB and 128GB variant, or 118,900 Naira for 8GB and 256GB variant, I promise you that you will never see anything that is remotely close to what the Spark 10 Pro has to offer. If you happen to see any, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be right there to interact with you. For me, this is a new king of budget smartphone, the best smartphone in its price category. So that's my review of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Kindly share your own thoughts with me in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.